Yep, this is my laptop, and also this is my really pink and damaged cover that I have cracks and I am missing a button underneath and I need to do something about it. So let's do something about it, shall we? Yes, so first thing I'm going to buy a new one. I ordered one on AliExpress. I ordered this one. They have different colors. I chose the gold one because I thought it's the cutest. But choose whatever you want. You can also choose your model, and I will have a link down below. Also, you can find pretty similar one on Amazon. I will link this one as well. They are really cute ones and they have also a keyboard cover, so maybe it's for something that you would like. And now let's just change the cover already, shall we?